Hey, CruzArmor here. We have this saddlebag lid protection kit, and we're going to install it on this new 2024. Both road and street glides have this new body style saddlebag lid. So we're going to go ahead and demo this right lid, and inside the kit you have both the right and left patterns. So we're going to start with the right. You want to make sure and prep the lid, so we're going to skip to a prep 1 video and a prep 2 tips and technique video. You can click to that right now. But otherwise, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the installation. So you will make sure and keep everything good and wet with the slip soap solution. Even before you peel the film, but you want the film wet, the back of the film, the bags, your hands. You just want everything wetter the better, so that this film, when you lay it down, also is just on a wave of soapy fluid that you're going to squeegee out. So go ahead and lay the piece on, position it, and then we're going to use the alcohol anchor solution up front here to just wash out the soap so that we can position it exactly where we want it, and then squeegee out that alcohol, which will anchor that front little nose. So we're just going to use that alcohol again. Just make sure that all this front is good and tacked down. And I'm using pretty good strokes here. As long as you keep the top surface wet, you can use pretty good pressure when squeegeeing, and you'll want to kind of tug on it and just make sure that it's sticking before you go to the back end. But right here I'm just a little alcohol, sprayed alcohol, just squeegeeing that little tab so that front wing is all good. It's not going to move when we move to the back. So back here we're going to use alcohol again. We're going to go ahead and just give it a little tension to pull that back edge to the back. In the video here we're actually, the kit's a little longer, so it does go back over the edge. But in the kits that you'll be ordering, we've trimmed that back so it just goes to the top of that back edge, which makes it a whole lot easier for you. And now it's a matter of just getting the soapy solution squeegeed out that's in between your two anchor points. So just go ahead and like long, smooth squeegees, get all the air, the soap coming out the side, then also squeegeeing everything. You can't squeegee all the way to the back or all the way to the front because of those anchor points. So the sides are where you get all that stuff coming out. Again, you can spray the top, keep it wet, squeegee, like I say, both your outer edges. And then up front here, I didn't really like the way it looks, and there's a little fluid under there, so we're going to squeegee that out. And then we're alcoholing this wing again and giving it just a little more tension to relieve a little finger that we had down there at the front. So again, it's very forgiving. If you see something you need to lift to get a piece of dust or hair out, you can do so. If you need to get a finger down, use a little more alcohol. But she is good to go.